Hello friends, today is World Population Day. So I want to share with you some important and historical point of the Population Day. Please listen carefully. The World Population Day is a United Nations initiative that the entire world celebrates on the 11th of July every year. Furthermore, the aim of this day is to create awareness about the exploding world population and the importance of productive health. Moreover, the increasing population is a major concern in the countries like India and China. In 2018, World Population Day observed the theme Family Planning is a Human Right. History of the World Population Day. This day was first celebrated in the year 1989. Moreover, the Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme initiated it because of the population toll in the year 1987. At that time, the population of the world has already crossed 5 billion mark, and due to which the exploding world population has certainly become a serious cause of concern for the whole world. Thus, the United Nations initiated this program to combat the issue of the governing population and raise awareness among the public about the same. Most noteworthy, on the vast scale World Population Day focus on the need and importance of controlling the increasing population of the world. However, the World Population Day 2018 emphasized on the importance of family planning. In 2018, the program has the slogan Family Planning is a Human Right, and audition for the first time it gives a response to 50 years old legislations that say that if they want them women sorry they want then women and girls can refuse to have multiple pregnancies placed to close. Importance of the World Population Day 2019. In 19, the primary aim of the initiative to is to increase awareness about reproductive health problems among the people. Moreover, this is because of the fact that a large number of pregnant women yield to poor reproductive health. According to researchers, every day 800 women die during the process of birthing a baby. Hence, the primary aim and importance of the day are to get more and more people to more know how to boost their reproductive health. Also, it pays attention to the importance of family planning. Most noteworthy, World Population Day is the celebration of awareness. It is the one that tries to get people to know and learns about population issues. Besides population issues including things like human rights, family planning, right to health, gender equality, babies' health, child marriage, sex education, use of contraceptive knowledge about sexual transmitted disease is called STDs Act. Moreover, issue relating to the sexual of individual needs to be addressed between the age of 15 to 19 years. This is important because 15 million pregnancies in the world take place in women of this age group. Also 4 million out of 15 million in an abortion due to pregnancy complications or other reproductive health related issues. Objective of the World Population Day. The world celebrates World Population Day to empower both young girls and boys. Also it's educated them about reasonable and youth friendly techniques for avoiding unwanted pregnancies at the young age. Moreover, it ensures access to primary education for both girls and boys. This will remove gender stereotypes from society. It also teach people how to prevent sexual transmitted disease or infections. Furthermore, it ensure easy access to reproductive health care service to every couples. In addition, it demands current laws for protecting the rights of a girl child. Most noteworthy, it offers knowledge about sexuality and continue delaying marriage until one is able to understand the responsibilities which come along with it. In consolation, the primary aim of the World Population Day to create awareness about reproductions related issues. Sorry. Also, it empowers the young generation by making them aware of sex education and the many more things. Thank you very much over the class, and we will meet in next class. So take care, take care, take care. Bye bye.